We're talking today with Leanne Thorogood, who's a social worker for 15 Wing, and today we're talking about finding balance during the Christmas season. It can be a great challenge, so thank you so much, Leanne, for joining us.
Thank you, Della.
So how do we know if Christmas time becomes unbalanced for us?
How we find out that it's unbalanced is those routine things aren't happening that we normally have. So schedules are off, bedtimes are off, meals, our routine activities aren't maybe going on during the Christmas holidays. So when those things aren't keeping our life in its own rhythm, then we tend to get off balanced. Sometimes you find out you're doing less than you normally do, or maybe sometimes people are doing more than they normally do, and then that can also keep you off balance. And usually the end result is you're not enjoying yourself, and that's usually the biggest indicator that Christmas has become unbalanced.
Yeah, no kidding. And what can we do if Christmas is unbalanced?
I find that if you can stick to your schedules, that once in a while it's okay to stay up late or have kids stay up late, but try and stick to your normal schedules as much as possible. It helps to keep us in our routines. That's what our bodies are used to, and it keeps us going the way we should be. It's the same thing with our activities, food, meals, times, all those kinds of things. Should all try to stick to those routines. Enjoy some of the extra time that you do have if you find you do have that, and use that for family fun times or even personal time. Take an extra long bath by yourself or something, just candles and, doing things that are good for you. It's okay to say no to events if they're conflicting or if it's just not a right time for you. It's okay to say no. And, for ourselves, I think it's just really important that we enjoy our family, friends, and especially doing something good for us. And I'm, just overall making healthy choices and, making priorities for ourselves during this time of season is always a good formula to have as well.
What are the benefits of balancing Christmas?
I think the benefits of balancing your Christmas is that you get to enjoy it more. You get to enjoy family. You get to enjoy, if you're off work, you get to enjoy that. You can, enjoy the season, the Christmas, being out sledding or, enjoying the weather, the nice weather that we can have. Enjoy family times better and even enjoy some downtime for yourself and your family. And hopefully you will feel more relaxed and just all around have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas.
Great advice. Thank you so much, Leanne.
Thank you, Della.